Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Real quick, I just wanted to share with you this 12 by 12 paper pack that I picked up from AliExpress. It wasn't in the previous haul because I got it ages ago, but now that I'm doing a cherry and bow swap, I got this a while back when I heard about the cherry and bow swap, and I just never got around to showing it to you, and I didn't even start the project yet till now. So now I'm starting it. I found this in my stash, and I have to share it with you. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put the link as well in the description so you all can get one too. But look at these papers. Okay, starting with the first one. Bows, 2 types of bows. The cherries are not the same, but it's just like a mixture, and it's double-sided. Isn't that so awesome? And you get, I think there's like 24 in a sheet in the pack. Let's see, there's 2 of that one. Then there is this one. I mean, it's so perfect. Literally almost every paper has a bow and a cherry on it. Yeah, oh my god, it literally does. So yeah, there is this one. Look at the bow on that one, it's so cute. And then the next one, hope you lot are counting with me. So that's the second design. That's 4. I mean, second design. And then this one, it's got like a checkered background, and then the bows. Isn't that so adorable? Third design. This is the 4th. This one's got stars as well. And this is the 5th design. It's so pretty. Oh my god, so cute. Just so perfect. Okay, this one doesn't have a bow, but there is a mark here. It's okay. But this is the 6th design. Look at that. Look how shiny and juicy they look. And then this is a plain polka dot. And this is like a cartoony one. Oh my god, I am going crazy. It's got the white outline. That's not my favorite one. I don't like this one a lot, but it's cute unless I want to fussy cut out each one. And then this one, so pretty. Isn't that so cute? I lost count, guys, of how many designs. I'll go back and tell you. And then there's this one, the picnic blanket at the back. This looks incredible. And then the last one, this has to be my favorite. Look at the blossom flower. Oh wow. Oh wow. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit more. Oops. Is that yeah, 4? No. Just back to that. 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 2, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I'm wrong. 9, 10. No, I'm right. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's a bit of an odd number, but yeah, you get 22 sheets and 11 designs. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god, love it. I'm working on my my cherry swap project, cherry and bow swap, and I have to show you what I made so far. So far I'm trying to make an album. This is the ice cream parlor, so that's what I'm doing. And where is it? I made this, guys. It's so cute. So it's a coin purse, Memdex. Like this is like, yeah, this is so pretty. So it's like an interactive one, so it will open up, and I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna fill it with, I'm not gonna tell you actually, I don't want to spoil it, but I will. It's something so cute though. And I made it into like a shaker. So it's like a mesh shaker. And then I put flowers inside to make it look like, you know, the blossoms from the cherry tree. But yeah, the back has got a different paper to that on the inside. In hindsight, I should have used the same, but that's where I'm going to put my information. And I used the Velcro, and the inside looks like that. So sweet. I'm so excited for this. Okay, I need to crack on because I need to do as much as I can before the rest of my dice come. I'm waiting on some dice to come so that I can finish this swap. Hopefully I can get it out on time. But yeah, so far. Oh, and one thing else I wanted to share with you is I found this purse. It's awkwardly hot today. I don't know if it's because of this pajama set that I'm wearing, but I'm sweating. But look at this. I'm squealing. Literally, it's so cute. And then it's got this like little pocket. It's really tiny, but so sweet. It says I am cherry. I mean, there you go. I think I'm gonna make a little dangle with this, or just gift this out. I'm not sure, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, that's just something that I wanted to share while I was crafting away here. Thank you all. Bye.